This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Miranda Blah. In Assam, the first death due to coronavirus was reported yesterday after a 65-year-old patient expired at Silchar Medical College. A total of 29 positive cases have been found in Assam so far. Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal, who visited South Salmara district yesterday, directed that strict vigil on Assam-Bangladesh border and asked the Deputy Commissioner to have regular interactions with the border security force so that none could move even to the no man's land for farming activities during the lockdown. Mr. Sonowal also visited Golpara district and took stock of the COVID-19 preparedness. In Tripura, one more COVID-19 positive case has been confirmed, taking the total of positive cases to 2 in the state. Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb in a tweet said the patient is a 32-year-old from Madhya Pradesh and currently staying at Damchera in North Tripura district. The patient has a history of travelling by train with the first COVID-19 victim in the state. Mr. Deb urged the people not to panic as the state government is taking all possible measures to keep everyone secure. He appealed to the people to stay home and cooperate with the government. Meghalaya Assembly Speaker Metbah Lyngdoh yesterday wrote to the Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma urging him to extend the lockdown till the 30th of this month as the number of COVID-19 cases has increased in the country. The Speaker said big markets at Yodo, Jowai and Tura should be closed for a time being and emphasize on carrying out sanitization exercise at checkpoints so that vehicles ferrying essential commodities are sanitized properly. He also stressed strengthening of logistics for transporting agricultural produce of farmers and appealed to the government to monitor the prices of essential commodities in the state. So far, 129 samples were tested negative for COVID-19 in Meghalaya. The Assam government has sealed a mosque at Athgaon in Guwahati for 14 days following reports that around 100 people had gathered there on the 12th of this month. Assam Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said that 3 of them have been found positive. Mr. Sarma also said that the Assam government would provide financial assistance to patients who went to other states before the lockdown for cancer, heart and kidney treatment. He said that all such persons who got stuck due to the lockdown should inform their details at 0361 255 8955. Meanwhile, the Kamrup Metro District Administration has allowed door-to-door sale of fish and mutton in Guwahati city. The Northeast Frontier Railway has modified 315 coaches as isolation wards with 2,520 beds for various locations in Assam, Tripura and West Bengal in case of any contingency due to COVID-19 pandemic. Moreover, 811 beds for quarantine are also kept ready for use in different locations of the NFR. The Indian Railways has 125 hospitals throughout the country, of which over 70 are likely to be kept on standby for any COVID-19 contingency. In the wake of the coronavirus outbreak, the Arunachal Pradesh Cabinet yesterday approved an ordinance to reduce salaries of all ministers and MLAs, including the Chief Minister, by 30% for 1 year from April 1st this year. The fund will go to the state exchequer to be utilized in the fight against COVID-19. The Cabinet also reviewed the state's preparedness to tackle the situation and took stock of the existing required medical equipment, including rapid testing kits, personal protective equipment, masks and gloves for healthcare and other frontline workers. Mizoram Health Minister Dr. R. Lalthian Liana yesterday urged the centre to provide more funds for setting up of COVID-19 facilities and supply kits at the earliest for coronavirus screening. During a video conference with the Union Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan, Dr. Lalthian Liana apprised the difficulties in setting up healthcare infrastructure and urged the centre to allocate more funds under the National Health Mission to set up COVID care centres, dedicated COVID health centres and dedicated COVID hospitals. In Manipur, the state government has announced opening of markets and shops in the state today for sale of essential commodities to the public in view of Easter and Cheroba festival. All petrol pumps should also open for the general public. Cheroba is one of the major festivals of Manipur celebrated mainly by the Meitei community of the state, marking the beginning of a new year. Meanwhile, Manipur Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah congratulated the medical team of JNIMS Hospital for treating the first COVID-19 patient successfully. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.